Hello, creative people. Welcome to our channel. Today is the day to literally shine. If you've ever tried using metallic watercolor, you know that it often seems like the pigment won't come off the palette. I'm going to teach you a secret to solving this problem. Come with me and discover how to master metallic watercolor without any mysteries. If you like today's topic, subscribe, like, share, and comment. The secret to metallic watercolor is to activate the watercolor a few minutes before starting to paint. This makes it easier to remove the pigment from the tablet. The professional's trick is to make dry layers, that is, do not use the wash technique. This prevents the pigment from diluting. See how intense the gold becomes. If you smudged the metallic paint, do not try to clean it with water. Just wipe the area with a cotton swab soaked in alcohol. This will remove the mistake without damaging the paper. Let's make a very shiny flower here. Our easy art is ready. Look how these simple tips make the watercolor super shiny even on white paper. Dazzling shine. Look at that transparency on the wings. How wonderful! After drying, use a spray fixative to protect the shine. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you feel inspired to create your own works in metallic watercolors. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other weekly videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. Until next time, and thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.